Your presence has energized us. Your appreciation has inspired us. And your love for the arts and for our beloved country has shaped this beautiful journey. Dil se dhanyavad. I'm also immensely grateful to all the artists from India and around the world who have blessed and trusted us with their art. In the last 366 days, we have hosted 670 artists, 700 shows, and over 1 million audiences at NMACC. Our art house has had several cutting-edge exhibitions that the world has ever seen. Through Swadesh, which is so dear to my heart, we have given a global platform to artisans from the remotest villages and the smallest towns of our nation. मुकेश और मैंने साथ मिलकर एक सपना देखा था कि हम एक ऐसा केंद्र बनाएं जो कला, संस्कृति और ज्ञान की त्रिवेणी का संगम हो, जहाँ संगीत को नया स्वर मिले, नृत्य को नई ताल मिले, कला को नया घर मिले और कलाकारों को एक नया आसमान मिले. As we complete 1 year of NMACC, we look ahead with renewed purpose and enthusiasm. Together, with your support and your enthusiasm, we endeavor to make the next year even bigger and better. Thank you. Dhanyavad.